Hey, I'm Chelsea Bagazi with suburbanheresy.com. Today I am talking a little bit about beauty and makeup tips, and we've just applied some foundation and concealer to Nicole, my model, and now I'm going to show how to apply powder. There's lots of different ways that you can apply your powder to get different looks and just to set your makeup. I'm going to start out with using my foundation brush that I actually used to put her foundation on with, and I'm just going to use this around her eyes. It will give a full coverage, but I'm just going to use it around her eyes where I put on her concealer to help set the concealer so that it doesn't sink into the creases around her eyes. So I'm just going to apply it and just kind of dab it around right there. Close your eyes for me. And on top of her eye as well. And then for the rest of her face, I'm going to use a large powder brush. This brush will help dispense the powder loosely on her face so that it's not too heavy or too full of a coverage, and it won't give her that dry, powdery look. If you want a fuller coverage, if you need that coverage, you can use a sponge. And by using the sponge, you just dip it in your powder and apply it in downward motions, and that will give you a fuller coverage. The only bad thing with sponges is that they are a germ collector. So you have to use a new one every single day. Otherwise, you're going to collect a lot of germs and you'll get a lot of breakouts. And with brushes, you can clean your brushes, and that will keep your face clean and also keep your brushes clean. So I just dipped my brush into this, and I'm just going to lay it flat on her skin and brush downward. And then after I've applied it like that, I'm going to buff it into her skin to make it look natural. Have you closed your eyes? And that'll give it more of a natural look when you buff it into the skin. And then I'll follow and do the same on the other side.